Hey, Glam Beauties, welcome back to my channel, Madam CJ Ma'am Glam, and I'm here to bring you a Boxyluxe unboxing. Look how big this box is. This is my second Boxyluxe unboxing. I came home from running errands today, and on my door step, there was this gorgeous big box. I don't know what's in here, but I did receive an email from Joe yesterday saying that I was in a group that they sent the wrong Cover FX shade palette to me. So he apologized and he put in some extra charmer points into my account. So that's fine, but I'm ready to get into this box and see what's in here. See, the tape is still on. So I am so excited. You know, I've been on a no makeup buy since January, the month of my birthday. Really? Yes. So, but I still get my Boxyluxe and BoxyCharm. Okay, let's see what's in this box. La Vie Unrolls Boxyluxe. This is what's for the month of March. Oh wow, let me see how many things we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 items in here. Oh wow. Let me show you this here. I am so excited because I have not purchased any makeup. Okay, this here first thing that we have is definitely a little pouch. Let me see if I can find it on here. Da, 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 da. Y'all, I have on glasses and still can't read. Okay, this is the BoxyCharm train case. Oh, I just love these special gifts every month. I just love them. Makes me feel so special. And this is how the train case looks. It's a nice color to put my Boxyluxe items in. This is it. Gorgeous. And this retails for 20 bucks. Put that to the side. Oh, wow. Lily lashes. Wow. Oh, my gosh. These are the Lily lashes. Okay, let's see how much the Lily lashes are. Okay, Lily lashes exclusive faux mink gala or gala lashes. They are $24.99. And here they are again. The Lily lashes. Oh, wow. Add to my collection. Iconic London eyebrow cushion. And this is how that is. Let's see. This is my first Icon product. I heard that they were good. But I don't have anything in my collection nor my kits. Oops. See in the camera? The glare. Okay, it's like a cushion. Yeah, that's how that look. I'm not going to open it up right now, but that's how that look. Can't wait to play with that. And that retails for, okay, let's see, Iconic eyebrow cushion. It retails for 40 bucks. Wow. 40 bucks? Okay, then. Now, I did know that we were getting this It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. I did know that because that's all over the internet. But I tried not to look because I wanted to be surprised. And this, I know this cream is good. And this retails for, let's see, 48 bucks. I was getting ready to say 42. 48 bucks. And then we have this Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. Wow, good. And this retails for, okay, this is Wonder Beauty, 34 bucks. Wow. Impressive. Impressive. Okay, and this, what is this? Deborah Lippman. Okay, is this nail polish? Deborah Lippman. Where is it at? Deborah Lippman. Duo patent formula. Da 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 da. Lippman 2-piece set lets you bring your nail salon, and they the manufacturer retail price for these two are $20. Oh, those are so. Oh yes. Oh wow, I have some lipstick like this, but this is gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Can y'all see that? This one here, see those sparkles in it? Gold flecks. That's nice. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I have not been disappointed with my BoxyCharm nor my Boxyluxe so far. This is the Cover FX, and it retails for $45. So let's see what he sent. Okay, no, this will work. This will work for me. And I still got some charmer points. This will definitely work. Love it. Oh, those blush, the contour, highlight, brightener, the finishing powder. Now, I don't know about the finishing powder. This is the finishing powder right here. We don't know about that on us. No. But everything else is just gorgeous. Wow. And I did hear about this. Oh, Brunch Babe. This is the Morphe Palette. Nice. Nice. And this is for $16. It's pretty heavy. Just add with my Morphe collection. Oh, wow. It's really nice. Everything is intact. Those are the colors. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I love my mattes. I have quite a few mattes in there. And let's see if there's anything in there. Ooh, yep. Ooh. Oh, Motor powder and soft glow. This is how it look in the box. How much are these? $29.99. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Ooh, I'm a brush hoarder. This is nice. Oh, it feels nice, too. Those are really nice. Oh, I'm glad we got some brushes in here. I wish we can get Boxyluxe every month. I would gladly pay the extra $29 for it. And last but not least, Becca. Wow. Okay, this is Ultimate Lipstick Love. And this is in Souffle. Yep. And let's see how much this retails for. $24. I'm loving it. It's okay with me. Yes. Like I said, I have not been disappointed. I hope you can see that color. Good. Because let me bring my light a little closer. That may be too much light, though. Let's see if you can see it now. Yeah, that's too much light. But that's gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Okay, that is my Boxyluxe unboxing. And I want to give a special thank you and shout out to all of my new subscribers. And all of my old ride or die. I love you for hanging in with me. And I did not realize that showing some of my perfume, I've gotten so many views on that. So, hey, I guess I'll be showing more perfume when I get it. Until next time, Glam Beauties, Smooches, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and please, please subscribe to my channel, the Ma'am Glam Squad. Until next time, bye, Glam Beauties. Love you. Bam. Hey, Glam Beauties. Welcome back to my channel, Madam CJ Ma'am Glam. My head is chopped off. I don't know what's going on. What is going on?